I love maps because they tell stories. Africa's coastline, the Atlantic, Indian Ocean, and the Mediterranean, where offshore oil and gas power economies and shape geopolitics. Let's start in West Africa, the heavy hitter. Nigeria's offshore Niger Delta is massive. Bonga, Agbami. They pump hundreds of thousands of barrels a day. These fields feed local demand and ship out to the world. Slide south to Angola, another powerhouse. Kayambo, Clove, Tambua Landana, Ghana's Jubilee, Ten Sankofa, Côte d'Ivoire's Baleine, a newer star. Up north, the Mediterranean matters. Libya's Bouri, Sirte Bassan, production swings with politics. Egypt's Rosetta, Baltim, and the giant Zohr gas field. Tunisia's smaller offshore assets still play a steady role. Now, East Africa. This is the gas frontier. Offshore Mozambique, the Rovuma Basin. Over 180 trillion cubic feet of natural gas. It builds LNG plants, creates jobs, and reorders trade routes. Coral South's floating LNG is already exporting. Tanzania's offshore prospects are significant. Kenya keeps exploring. Down south, exploration is growing off South Africa. Brulpada, Luiperd, finds hint at a future gas hub, though production is still on the horizon. How does all this work? Technology. Ultra-deepwater rigs, subsea trees, FPSOs, floating production vessels that turn ocean swells into steady output. Partnerships between national companies and global players bring capital, engineering, and training. What's the trade-off? Opportunity and risk. Offshore revenue can fund schools, roads, and power. Local content rules build skills and jobs. But there are challenges: price swings, political instability, and strict environmental standards to protect marine life and coastal communities. The winners manage volatility, invest transparently, and cut emissions with better tech. Gas reinjection, electrified platforms, methane monitoring. Zoom out, and the pattern is clear. Offshore oil and gas are central to Africa's energy story today. Nigeria, Angola, Egypt, Mozambique. Exploration keeps unlocking new basins across the map. As the world transitions, these resources will still matter for petrochemicals, for reliable power, and for funding the future. If you learned something new, hit subscribe. I post concise, map-led explainers you can trust, so you never miss the next big energy story. See you in the next one.